Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with me. I'm going to show you how I made these easy oven baked chicken thighs. They turned out so good. I didn't record it in this video, but you want to make sure you flip these, take them out within 25 minutes, and flip them halfway in between. Make sure you coat them with the grapeseed oil once again. That's what I use to cook the chicken, and then put them back in for another 25 to 35 minutes. So really don't cook them no more than an hour in the oven for 350 degrees. This is what I used. So once I got the grapeseed oil in the glass pan, you want to take your chicken with the seasonings, just keep flipping them. I cook them skin side down first. I like to use lemon to get that extra lemon flavor. I take the seeds out just so you don't risk any seeds getting in there because you don't want to chomp on those, pretty gross. But once I get them in the oven, I set them again at 350 degrees for skin side down 25 minutes, flip them halfway in between, cook for another 25 to 30 minutes, no more than an hour. And you can go ahead and, coat them with a brush with the oil or just use a spray bottle, whichever is easiest for you. So that is how I make my oven baked crispy chicken thighs, and thank you so much for watching.